Welcome back to Jamaican Idol. If you're just now joining us, before the break, our first contestant to advance was Stacey Bashment. She started off a little rocky, but by the end, she managed to win the hearts of the judges. Let's head back into the auditions and check out the rest of these contestants.
Hello, my name is Stasia Daniels, and today I'll be singing Beyonce's Work It Out. So I hope you guys like it. How you doing, honey, baby? You know I don't ask for much, but for a girl spending time alone could be pretty rough. But I hear a knock on my door. I know it's yours for sure.
Well,
Can't wait for the bell. What?
Yeah. You know, the voice is it's good.
I'm sorry, the what?
The vice.
Oh,
the vice. You know, I come from the vice box.
Oh, the vice
right?
box.
You're right.
Right.
It's good, but there's a look of something we're missing. We don't know.
I'm missing something?
Just a look of something, you
Do you
know.
want me to slow it down or something?
You can sing something else, something a little more bass, you know.
A little more bass.
Yeah, something nice.
Zim Zimmer, who got the keys to my bimmer? Who am I? The gal damn sugar. How can I make love to a fella in a rush?
Fire!
The key to my That good? Like that?
Yeah, you're in.
I'm in?
In.
Stasia Daniels. I'm in. I made it.
I'll be singing one of my favorite songs by the artist named Egyptian is Beautiful Lady by me, Raj. Okay. Just the other day, said I run into this beautiful lady and she asked me my name and I told her it's Raj. She said, oh, never felt so nice.
Oh, okay, alright.
When she said, never felt so right.
Hey, pussy.
Ooh, shit. But I know her name, beautiful lady, Raj.
Hey, Aladdin, stop. Hey. Me like the song choice,
Yeah,
but the singing it was.
I like it too.
Yes,
Okay.
me know you like it.
Love it.
What?
Love it.
Oh, okay. Where you say you come from?
I love it.
No, where you come from? You say?
Beaten all day, every day, Ontario, beaten, Canada.
Okay, take yourself and go back there. Take yourself and go back there.
Whoa!
So this Aladdin brother, what do you think? Because I don't know, it was a little bit iffy for me. You know, his vocals were here and there and here, everywhere.
But true saying they do the Egyptian, you know?
It's a big tune.
It's a big tune, man.
Let him through. Let him through.
I don't know, man.
Let him through.
We're gonna give him the patty, the golden patty.
Yeah. You want to
Focus.
Eh? You want to
Let him through.
Nobody let him through, man. Yeah, Vivian.
One go on. You want to do one more?
Nah, some water break.
Come, we do one more. Yellow. Who's next? Real roots man this.
Alright, sir.
Thumbs up.
Yeah. My name Leroy Radcliffe Smith. You know, so you can just call me Junior.
Yeah.
I prepare one song for you. Hold on. Cause you know, say, hold on, cause you have a style, you know? So me respect on your style. Alright, go on with it.
Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. So here's my number.
Yeah,
and come
money,
on,
man.
baby. Those other girls man, try to chase me, but here's my number. So call me, maybe. You just came into my life.
Oh, I didn't
So,
stop that now. Where are they?
Alright, gangster, you know like the tone, yeah?
Where that man? Yo. Come out of the studio. Come out. Look.
I see you.
Dead.
So tell me, what happened in there? So describe it to me. What happened?
Yeah, you know, sir. I'm going in with my team,
Yes.
and they say they not like it.
Why do you think that was?
Yeah, them not like the foreign girl, like that Carly Rae Jepsen.
Yeah.
Them not like she.
Oh, okay.
I say she hot.
Right. Well, anyways, don't give up the fight, my friend. And I'll see you next year. Maybe come on over to Kingston.
And the real,
Yes.
me tickets cause me black.
Me think so too. Better luck next time, friend. There you have it. The Chichi Dread did not make it. Better luck next time. It was a very eventful day today in Portmore. Join us next week because we're taking it home. We're taking it all the way to Kingston, Jamaica, where we expect to see very, very magnificent, talented people. So tune in next week on another episode of Jamaican Idol.